how's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be doing a challenging version of the Punta, Talon y Cruzes. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with somos uno. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Punta, talon, y cruces. So we land on 7. We're going to tap on the 8. So punta, talon on 1, punta on 2 in front of that right foot. And then land on that left leg. Okay, on 3. Right foot is going to do punta on 4. Talon on 5. Punta across in front of the left leg on 6. Land to the side on 7. And then punta on 8 with the left leg one last time. And then somos uno on 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try that one more time, nice and slow. Punta, talón y cruces. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. It helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this movie is honestly making sure you're emphasizing the 4 and the 8. What can happen is you can lose that kind of flow in the movement and it can be a little tricky and you can get also confused on your timing. So you want to emphasize that 8 and 4. Watch what I mean. If I go nice and slow, watch. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. See what I'm saying? I'm kind of putting a little extra oomph to it so that I can have a nice flow to my movement. So let's try this in halftime with music and then we'll do it at full speed. Here we go. 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3. Punta, talón y cruces. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 5. Una más. Punta, talón y cruces. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5. One more time. Get ready. 5, 6. Punta, talón y cruces. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude this for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous movies that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.